Ready to come see your babies, Rombi? Go see your babies. Go find your babies. Oh, savage. Come on, Rombi. Okay, I'm going to open the door. There's his little babies. These are his little babies. He thinks they use their dada. It's okay. She likes going on her back, surprisingly. Rombi! Where's Rombi? He's obsessed with these kittens. I don't know why. Rombi! Rombi! Gotta get the dog. Yeah. Kittens have a bodyguard.
Mom, look at mine. She's a little bit.
He's like, no kitten left behind.